Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you 5 of my favorite uses for that. Well, 5 in this category under the attribute eyedropper. And I've got all the other ones turned off, or I'm going to turn them off. And I'm going to just go to effects and I'm going to pick envelope. And I want this word to be the same as this text on an envelope. So I took a sample and then turned it into that exact word. The next one is perspective. I've got a perspective on this one. I'm going to go to the attribute eyedropper. I'm going to go to effect. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the envelope. I don't really know if you have to, but I'm going to pick perspective and I'm going to grab that and put it in there. And it made it identical to that one. Now let's go. I always click off of it, go back to the attribute eyedropper, and we're going to do contour. I'm going to go ahead and check off that and pick contour. Then I'm going to take a sample of that with the eyedropper and then put it in there, and it contoured exactly. The next one would be the shadow tool, which would be very helpful if you want to make a bunch of shadows the same direction, the same amount. So go to effects and type in shadow or click shadow, and then take a sample and then go to your word. And it does a carbon copy. It doesn't matter what the word is. I mean, you could use different text and you're still going to have the same amount of shadow. The other one is the distort tool. Go to effects and go distortion. And we're going to take a sample of this curvy line and put it, it's a little hard on a line, but look at that. Both lines are exactly equal distortion. And we could actually go EC and you can't even see the lines because they're on top of each other. Anyway, hope that gave you a couple of tools to use, and thank you for watching.